Welcome to our Chinese online composition enhancement course, specially designed for Primary 5 and Primary 6 students. This course precisely covers picture-based writing, topic-based writing, and continuous writing tasks. Each module contains 10 past-year examination practice questions to ensure thorough preparation. Your child will learn step-by-step writing techniques through carefully selected model compositions. The course begins with examination marking criteria and a proven 5-step writing process. Students will then master advanced strategies such as varied conclusions and sophisticated vocabulary. We also teach the effective use of rhetorical devices to enhance writing style. Our Chinese model composition analysis compares basic and improved versions to clearly demonstrate meaningful improvements. Parents will receive a dedicated guide covering common mistakes as well as a structured home practice plan. In addition, we provide a set of versatile phrases suitable for any writing situation as a bonus. Every lesson includes detailed audio explanations and comprehensive answer discussions. Help your child write with confidence. Join our course today.